Hey guys, you need to stop buying a new iPhone right now as the iPhone 15 is right around the corner with the officially date launching revealed by the Apple on 12th of September. Now this is less than 2 weeks from now. What we also know is that this time around the iPhone 15 series is going to coming with a great upgrades and as well as with the new colors also. The camera upgrades are going to be massive this time, and also the phone will be getting on sale on 22nd of September. Right, because the phone Apple has now teased in us with the special things about the phone and what colors you can expect, and the four colors option are there majorly for the Pro models, and the normal models with this the 15 and the 15 plus will be available in the more color options. Now what we also know is that the phone this time around will be coming with a Type-C cable, and for the normal 15 and the 15 plus it won't be a fast charging cable, but for the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max the iPhone will be coming with a UFS 4.0 speeds. Now this is a major upgrade for the iOS as the iPhone was stuck with the lightning cable for almost past decade, and this is finally getting an upgrade due to laws that EU made. Now apart from that, the phone will also be coming with the smaller notch in the form of a dynamic island, and the phone will also be getting what we say is that the periscopic camera for the very first time in the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. Also, the processor of this phone is going to be a world's first 3nm TNMC processor, and this is going to be a very power efficient as well. But before that, the cameras also are great, but the price is also going to get increased for the Pro models for almost $100. The 15 Pro will be available for the price tag of $1100 and the 15 Pro Max for $1200. The battery capacity sizes have also been increased, and this time around the iPhone might be having one of the greatest batteries it can ever have in a long time. Now what do you think about this iPhone thing and iPhone updates? If you are planning to buy a new iPhone or not, let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.